In today's video, we are replacing or restoring every single trim we could possibly change on the red JDM Evo 8. As you can see, same situation we have with the GG Evo 8. This is all grayed out. Every single trim, as you can see, is like that. Even the top one, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's completely wasted all the way to the back. It's like this faded black look. I'm sure all of you guys are familiar with this. We are also going to be changing the Vortex, which I got painted by PETA HD Works. Came out super good. Everything came out super good. So we're gonna replace this, and then let me show you guys on this side as well. This one's even worse. It looks all white and gray. I could have probably restored it, but I decided just to go all new since I'm already gonna go all out on this car. I'm gonna replace all of these trims right here. This one, look at how bad it is. We are going to take these out and paint them. I wasn't able to get these brand new, but I already did this on the GG and it came out super nice. And we're also going to restore this one because here in the States, they only sell it for left-hand drive, obviously not for right-hand drive. So I'll just restore this one. And I might as well restore this just how I did with the GG Evo 8. And we'll go ahead and put the new heat shield because I got a brand new heat shield thing for the hood as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I know these are super simple. These just have a little screw and you could just pop them out. These, I don't know how they work, but again, it should just be pulling them out, super simple. Let's get to work. Finally got these little moldings, window seals out. They were a pain in the PETA to take out. These are the old ones, just so you guys can see how crusty and old they look. And look at how the new ones look. They look so much newer and so nice. I can't wait to put this on. But just to give you guys a quick walk around of how to change it. There's a little screw here. There's a screw on every single one. On the rear, I think it's on the inside, so the screw's right here. And the trick with these is you gotta have patience, you gotta have a little bit of love. The trick is to push in and then out because there's like a little latch that's holding it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it in camera, but it's sitting on these little latches all around. So you gotta push in and out. And on this side, you have to push it in inwards an inch, I believe. And then on this side, you gotta push it this way an inch. So you'll slide it. You'll actually slide it a little bit to the left and then you'll start pushing in, and you could take it like one by one. So like you'll push in, pull out, but it's very tight. So you're gonna have, at least I had a little bit of a mission with it. But once you figure it out, you'll take all of them out super simple. Like once I figured one out, I did all four in like less than 20 minutes. So honestly, there's not much to say there. And then to put them on, all we're going to do is pop them in, and that's pretty much it. And put the screw, of course. So let me go ahead. You guys know how I am. I'm going to clean all of this very well. I'm going to see if I can put some sort of protection on it, even though it really doesn't matter. But I want this as clean as possible so you guys can see how much dirt and debris there is on these little gaps. So I'm going to clean it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop these in. And then we will move to the actual roof molding, which is this part right here. Should be fun as well. Let's see, we'll figure it out as we go. So now that we have all the bottom trims installed, we are going to move into the roof molding, the roof trim, whatever you want to call it. I call it molding. For this one, all you have to do is pull back and up and it should come out. So let's go ahead and replace the two of them. These are really, really bad compared to the other ones. Both of them are actually really bad. So as you guys saw, we ended up removing all of the window visors for the Evo, and now we have to figure out how to remove all of this gunk and 3M tape that's behind, not only here, but for the Vortex generator and also the wing. I already did this side, which I'm gonna show you guys how I did it, but I still gotta do this side, the top, and the window visors. But this is what we ended up getting. And before I do tell you guys, thank you so much to everybody that follows me on Instagram. You guys helped me figure out what I needed. I posted it and all of you guys responded super quick. So the same company that makes this super strong tape sells something to remove it. So this, what I ended up getting is 3M adhesive remover. So I just spray a little bit of this. And then with this wheel that gets attached to the drill, it's like a wax, sort of say. It removes all of the tape from the surface. Like, it works like magic, honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole entire car. Enjoy the time lapse or video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but just enjoy it. A lot of work basically getting done for this. So we are all ready to install the new Vortex. I just laid the 3M double-sided tape that you need to put on the Vortex to be able to install it. And we also remove most of the glue that we had here. You guys can see there's still a tiny bit left, but we should be fine, to be honest. I removed 99% of it all the way around. And I also went ahead and removed the tape on the wing so we can install the new wing, but that's not gonna be today, that's gonna be on another video. So let's go ahead and install the Vortex, lay it on, and then we'll go ahead and do the full new trim on the side. This is one of those things that make me super excited. It looks, this changes like a lot. Like I know for you guys it's just a trim, but it looks so new. Like it looks, I don't know, the whole Vortex in red now, this brand new. It's just, the car's super dirty right now because I was removing this trim, but the whole car just flows so much better. I'm gonna show you guys how the other one looks so you guys can understand. This is super simple to change. I thought it was gonna be a lot more complicated. Look at how the other one looked. It looked like complete crap. Like look at how faded it just looked. Man, little stuff like that make me so happy. I don't know why, but let me cover real quick. When you buy this brand new piece completely, you don't have to do anything. You just grab it and it pops right in these sleeves. Like you just gotta make sure that you align it and you just push in. Honestly, to install it, so much easier. To uninstall it, pull out and up. You might break a couple of tabs. If you do, they sell them at the dealer. And then you just grab these tabs and you put them back in place. And then when you install it, you just push it in, which was super crazy how simple it is. I was honestly stressing this install for so long just because I wanted to be careful, you know, not break it or whatever the case might be. And all you have to do is just make sure you align the tabs and then push it in. So let me go ahead and do this side. I'm just getting so happy with this build. Moldings are installed. I opened the garage so you guys could see it. The Vortex with the moldings in sunlight. Sorry for all this dirtiness. I do need to wash the car, like I said, from removing this 3M tape here that I still need to work on, but we'll figure that out later. But look at how good it looked. Look at the trim in the sun. It looks so good. And then these are new as well. Just everything flows. The one that we restored, look at how good that looks. And then obviously the wiper cowl, like look at how it matches, like everything just goes together. So we just restored almost every single trim on this car. Almost every single trim. Like the only thing I have left to figure out is this tape right here. There's still a little bit more that I need to remove, but it's so old that it's honestly not coming out with the 3M wheel. But I'll figure something out off camera, and then I'll figure out if I want to put OEM visors on or if I want to clean this trim up and then just make basically everything new, which I think makes sense, but I'll think about it and figure that out. The Vortex again with the antenna, short antenna, everything came out super good. This car honestly is becoming kind of like a brand new OEM car. The hood thing we restored, brand new, crazy. I still have the Rally Yard one, which I put up there, which I might sell later on. Like I said before, I just don't like silver, everything black and then just something silver. It kind of stands out a little bit too much for my liking. So that's why I went with just OEM black. Man, everything is basically brand new. Another thing I forgot to show you guys, also here with me speaking, this thing, brand new as well. Man, this car is honestly becoming the OEM car and the other one's gonna be the modified one. I don't wanna put it so nice and OEM and brand new because then I'm not gonna want to do mods on the car, but it's looking really good, like really good. I still need to do the brake calipers. Imagine the calipers done, the OEM side skirts, which we already have, the brand new or restored wing. This whole entire car is basically OEM and it looks insanely good. Like it looks crazy, which is kind of sad because it's making me not want to mod the car from how OEM it is. But anyways, let me go ahead and end the video there. Let me show you guys one more shot of how good this piece came out. It came out super, super nice. Again, all the trims, you guys are probably tired of this, but it came out so good. Super happy with the Vortex too. Paint matched perfectly, which is always a good thing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you guys have any questions on how to remove any of the trim pieces, honestly, the ones on the door were a little bit annoying. That's where I had my dad help me on that one. The ones on the roof, super easy. Don't stress about it. It is super, super simple. Vortex generator was kind of annoying with the old tape and all of that. But if you guys need to remove that adhesive, 3M eraser wheel helped like crazy, made it super, super simple. So thank you to all of you guys on Instagram that DM me to use that. You guys saved my life and made it so much easier. We still have these to go. Like, we still have to figure out the visor tape that we left. But like I said, I'll figure that out off camera. Honestly, I think it's gonna be kind of stupid for me to record myself removing that. But once I do get that off, I need to figure out, what do you guys think? Leave it down in the comment. Do you guys think I should put OEM visors on again? Or should I just leave it without visors like I have the GG Evo, which is just no visors and it's just kind of like this clean look. But I kind of like the visors too, so I'm like 50-50, and I mean that. Because usually I just make my own decisions, but with the visor, I'm kind of like 50-50, just like I am with the seats. I still don't know what to do. But anyways, I know this video is probably super long. I haven't edited, but I think it's pretty long. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It helps me out, it helps me grow the channel, and honestly motivates me when you guys tell me that you guys enjoy the videos. So, like always, keep grinding, stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.